Nice. We're gonna open up some Pokeballs today. Come on, there it is. Let's see what we get from this. Come on. There we go. That's much better. Let's take this one off also. Come on, much easier. Alright. Let's start off with Pokeball. The basic, classic Pokeball. Let's see what this is. Crimson Innovation, not that great. Burning Shadow, pretty good. Evolutions, not bad. And we also get a coin. We get a Raichu coin. I think I already have this one. It's still a nice coin. Let's put this to a side. We'll start out with the least exciting pack, which is the Crimson Invasion. Alright. Here's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Let's see what we get. We got Steel Energy, Devoured Field, Fighting Memory, Larion, Encino, Egg cute, Jigglypuff, oops, took another one, Houndour, Spoink, Reverse Mankey, and a Wigglytuff. Damn, another from that pack. Let's try the evolutions. Hopefully I get something from these, or one of these Pokeballs. I had somebody get anything and I was pretty disappointed. Here's a code card. 1, 2, 3 to the front. I don't think this one has one. Energy card. But we'll find out. Trainer, Poliwhirl, Full Heal, Full Torb, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Diglett, Seal, Reverse Switch. Oh! Holy snaps! Nice! Misty's Determination. Oh heck yeah, that's pretty nice. I was looking into buying this one actually. I'm glad I didn't. Let's see, we got some sleeves over here. Alright, there we go. Look at that. And it looks pretty good also. Oh, wait, never mind. This bottom border looks a little more thicker than the top one. So, if I were to get graded, that border would have been a problem. That's very nice. Well, I'm already satisfied with just this one Pokeball. Can we top it, though? I doubt it. Unless, of course, we get a Rainbow Charizard from this thing. But I highly doubt that. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And we got Fire Energy, Electabuzz, Mount Lana Killa, Kiawe, Inkay, Liba, Caterpie, Sandygast, Venipede, Rhyhorn Reverse, and Butterfree. Unfortunate, but I'm already happy with that Misty's Determination card. I always like these full art trainers. Always look pretty nice. Let's put this back together and just keep it right there. Now let's get into the next ball. This ball has Burning Shadows also, Evolutions, and Base Sun and Moon. Coin in this one is a Zeraora. Not bad. Let's put the lid back on this thing. There we go. Alright. Let's start off with Base Sun and Moon. Wow, that tore up pretty easily. Okay, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front, I think. Yeah. Fairy Energy. This thing. Professor Kukui. Golbat. Lillipup. Bonsweet. Dupiter. This thing. Stuffle. Lily Reverse, that's pretty nice. And oh, nice. We got a Tauros GX. Very nice. Huh, that's not that bad. I actually don't know what's inside the base Sun and Moon set. So, that's pretty nice, actually. Alright, next up, evolutions. Oh man. Wait, what the? Wait, what? Did I pull 2 out? Or was this the other one? What the heck? 1, 2, 3 to the front. Coughing. Oh, cool. Flying Pikachu. I like this one. Looks funny. I'll put that one to the side along with this Tauros. Leave him up in a bit. Haunter. Caterpie. Magnemite. Oh, dang it. Ooh! Uh-oh. Okay. Alright, sorry about that. Got a little too excited. Sandshrew, Poliwag, Reverse Tangela, and I saw in the back already a Pidgeot EX. Very cool. Let's take a look at that shine. Awesome. I'm gonna sleeve him up right away. There we go. Cool. We have 2 nice full arts. And while I'm at it, I'll sleeve up Tauros. There we go. Very nice. Alright, last pack. Burning Shadows. Come on, give me that gold Charizard. Or not gold, rainbow Charizard. 1, 2, 3, 4 the front. And we got Dark Energy, Whirlipede, Guzma, Rombi, Magikarp, Crobat, Pikachu, Pansear, Charmander, Out of the Rain, Liba, and... oh man, nothing. Scolipede. Well, that was not bad actually. We had 3 good pulls for just two Pokeballs. Better than the last one where we didn't really get much. We just got 1 double. Yeah,